In this video, I'm going to show you how to skew an image in Pixlr quickly and easily using the Pixlr E Editor. This is a really useful trick if you want to create a perspective effect, tilt an object, straighten a graphic, or make your design look a little more dynamic and professional. And if you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser on your PC and navigate directly to the Pixlr E Editor. Once the editor loads, the very first thing you need to do is upload the image you want to edit. To do that, click Open Image and choose the file from your computer. After your image loads into the workspace, take a look at the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. If your image is sitting on a locked background layer, you'll need to unlock it before you can transform it. To do that, simply double-click the lock icon on the background layer. This step is important because Pixlr won't let you freely distort a locked layer. Once it's unlocked, your image is ready for editing. Now that the layer is unlocked, go up to the top menu bar and click on Edit. In the drop-down menu, look for Free Distort. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+ if you want a faster way to access the same tool. This is the feature that allows you to skew, angle, and reshape the image by moving its corner points. Once Free Distort is active, you'll see blue corner handles appear around your image. These handles are what you'll use to adjust the perspective. Click and drag each individual corner handle to freely angle, slant, or skew your image. If you want one side to appear farther away or create a more dramatic perspective effect, just move the corners until the shape looks the way you want. Take your time here and make small adjustments. The beauty of this tool is that you can make subtle changes for a natural look or go for a bold distorted effect if that matches your design. You can always keep adjusting until the image sits perfectly in place. When you're happy with the result, click anywhere outside the image canvas to finish the transformation. Pixlr will then show a pop-up prompt asking if you want to apply the changes permanently. Select Yes to confirm and lock in your edits. And that's it. You've successfully skewed an image in Pixlr. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it can make a big difference in your design workflow. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick Pixlr tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.